Free Space Management Overview. Our group has chosen the topic for our group assignment. As we know, this space in our CPU is very limited, so if possible, we reuse back the space from deleted file for a new file. File system maintain free space list to track available block or cluster. They have 4 techniques in free space management. First, bit or vector map. Second, free or linked list. Third, grouping. And fourth, counting. For technique 1, bitmap or bit vector, which n blocks, we can see bit value. If 1, block is free. If bit value 0, block is used. The first non-zero word is scanned for the first 1 bit, which is the location of the first free block. For second technique, free list or linked list cannot get contiguous space easily, so waste of space. No waste of space. No need to traverse the entire list if free block recorded. For third technique, grouping. In grouping, modified linked list to store address of next n minus 0 free block in first free block plus a pointer to next block that contain free block pointer. Just like example 14. And for last technique, counting. In counting, because space is frequently contiguous used and freed with contiguous allocation algorithm, extend or clustering, keep address of first free block and count of following free block. Free space list then have entire content address and count.
And good day to Doctor and for those who see this video. So my name is Mama HAFIZZY bin AHMAD. I'm the part of the team members here. So I will continue the presentation from my team members, MASLINDA, that she already shared about the topic of the file management system. Since Linda had already briefly explained about the topic, I will share with you how file management system apply in our real life. So I'm going to start with the background of the project, the objective of the project, the scope, and the flowchart of how it works. First, I will explain to you about the scenario or background of the project. So this company residency this year is the industrial company producing air conditioner to the secondary school in Johor Bahru. Company residency have a lot of manpower needed to support all the manufacturing department lah. Uh, since company residency receive a triple request from the school to provide the aircon, thus the company recently expand their manufacturing place from 2 plant to 3 plant. At the same time, a lot of manpower needed to fulfill the position in the plant. However, by adding multiple manpower causes the car parking limited. Then, to avoid this issue happen, this company developed a system which all the staff have to register their details in the system, and each employee will be given one car parking slot. Each employee will have a different parking number, and by doing this system, the parking issue will be resolved for this company. So then next we go to the purpose of these projects. So purpose of this project here, it is a comprehensive approach towards the management of employee information. This will be done by designing and implementation an HR management system that will bring up a major paradigm shift in the way that employee information is handled. So the objective of this system include the design parking number for company employee, auto assign any available parking lot, and a user-friendly front end for the user to interact with the system. So next we go to the scope of these projects. Since the system is the related to free space management in operating system, and it show that it apply to our real life since the parking space is limited. The system need to reuse the space from the this one is called the deleted files. For example, the car has moved out from the parking. Then the technique used by the system is the linked list because it cannot get contiguous space easily. And also this technique will not waste of space and no need to traverse the entire list of here. So for example here, you see when the car parking here, if there is an empty slot here, then we will register the staff to this parking, and the parking will go will get the parking number and go straight to the parking area. So that's how we apply to our real life for free management system. And also for the flow charts, so basically what user need to do is they need to go to the system check. So the system check, this one is just for verify that the user is staff or not, and after that we will search for any parking available. So for example, if uh, the system doesn't show any parking available, the process will be end. And also if the parking available, the user need to enter the staff ID and staff name. And after that, if the user agree to register for that parking, we will assign to the parking lot and the user will register to the parking. So I think that's all. The background or the scenario for this real life situation. So with that, this presentation will continue by my team member, which is Mazrizal. Thank you, Doctor.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Mazrizal bin Abdullah. I'm one of Group 5 members. For operating system project, we choose free space management and we try to relate that concept inside the parking space management for company residency, and we create this code to visualize how we can control and manage the free space inside the real situation. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, this is the program how it looks like. What we can see is the three important element is number one to add, which to add the empty space. Number two is to delete the information and make the space is available. And number three is to display what is the information that we already put inside the system of the program for the parking for company residency. Let's say there is no car inside the parking compound. If we choose number 3, it will notify you the all parking is available. So I click Y, this means yes, to continue to use this program, and I will add a few information inside the parking system. I choose number 1. The employee ID is the integer. Employee name is Cha. The parking number is also integer. And I add another user inside the system. Okay. To display what information we have, we choose number 3. Here what we can see is the space, the empty space has been filled by these 3 information. Okay, for other method, what we can do is to delete the information inside the system, which we choose number 2. And it will show you what the information that already been deleted and make the space is available. So we click yes and we display again. We also now can add another information inside the system by choose number 1. Okay, I add another 2 more person inside the free space. And now I display again, which we can see the 2 additional information that we just key in now already fill the empty space. Okay, if we don't want to use this software anymore, we can just click end and click enter and the program will exit. This is how the program works, and also the animation of the program, how it fill the free space management and how to make the free space available by using the delete concept. And beside that, we also can display what we already key in inside the free space. And for this project, we learn more about how to manage the free space management. Thank you. For this project, our group using Discord and also WhatsApps to communicate among us, which we are from group 5, and we do brainstorming to give idea and also solution for the technical terms to make sure this project is follow the course outline that given by Dr. Rashida, and we hope our project fulfill the course outline that already given by her. And anyway, we want to thank you to Dr. Rashida for teaching us for this operating system subject, and see you again. Thank you.